Mad Money Lightning Round is brought to you by TD Ameritrade, where smart investors get smarter.
It is time. It's time for the lightning round. Play this out. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski? The lightning round. Let's go with Dave in Illinois. Dave.
Dr. Cramer, my good mad friend, we missed you on Monday.
How you been, Dave? Absolutely. Took a little extra day there to do some reconnoitering of Mexico. What's happening?
Sounds good. This stock is in the healthcare space, Jim. Down on the year, but Da Vinci and I still like ISRG.
I agree with you entirely. I think that ISRG is one of those stocks you must not look at it on a day-to-day basis. You look at it on a year-to-year basis. That's how good their machines are. Dave, once again, you always come with great game. I want to go to Bob in Massachusetts. Bob!
Hey, Jim. Thanks for all you do. Greetings from Beantown.
Oh, thank you.
What are your thoughts on Santander with your earnings coming up?
I think that I have to tell you, I think Anna Boutine is doing a sensational job. It's my favorite bank in Europe, and by the way, I looked at it multiple times to own it for the charitable trust. I just can't get that, summon myself to pull the trigger. I'm afraid I'll move it to $4. I think Banco Santander is excellent. Let's go to Shannon in Florida. Shannon.
Hi, Jim. Thanks for taking my call.
How are you? Good.
I'm doing good, thank you. I was wondering if you had any thoughts on Atlantica Sustainable Infrastructure, ticker AY.
That is a foreign company that I need to know more about, and I promise I will do more on it. Come back with a more considered response. Let's go to Alan in Florida. Alan.
Jim and Chill.
Yo, Chill's in the house.
I know that nuclear plays a big part of our country's clean energy to generate electricity, and I think we don't have enough supply of it already, and now we got problems with Russian uranium.
Right.
Is Uranium Energy Corp, UEC, a good play?
Very speculative stock. It's had a very big run. Be ready to get cut in half or double. And those are typically kinds of stocks that I do not recommend on Mad Money. Let's go to Brian in Kentucky. Brian.
Thanks for taking my call. My family has been invested in U.S. Bank for a lot of years. I just inherited a bunch of stock. Are they still? I'm looking for dividends.
It's a very well-run bank, but I prefer the Bank of Morgan Stanley. It's an investment bank. It's got a very low price to earnings multiple. It buys back stock, and it's got a good yield. That's my favorite. Matthew in Georgia. Matthew.
What's going on, Jimmy Chill? It's Matt. I'm from Warner Robins, Georgia. Us home gamers love all the insights you provide. Don't let your Twitter mentions distract you.
Well, those people are pretty horrible.
Appreciate you.
Some of those people are really horrible, and they can wreck the experience. I admit that. That's what they want, though. So I'm not going to let them. What's up?
Shake them off, man. All right. I'm calling about a company that's built a very impressive ecosystem for their industry, and an important aspect that you've focused on lately is that they're profitable. What do you think about Axon Enterprises? Very
well-run company. We've been behind the company since about 20. We think it's just a terrific company. You're absolutely right. It's a platform. It's basically, Taser as a service. Let's go to Steve in New Jersey. Steve.
Hey, Jim. How you doing tonight?
I'm doing fine. How about you?
Doing all right. The stock I'm calling about today is a consumer finance company. It pays a 95 cents a share dividend which is 8.24%. What is your opinion of One Main Holdings?
Too risky at this point in the cycle. Particularly if the Fed really does give us a real slowdown. You don't want to be in that one. You want to be in others. Andy in New York. Andy.
Hey, Jim. Booyah to you.
Booyah.
Andy Rutz from Casanova Lake in upstate New York.
Beautiful.
My question is on Brunswick Corporation. As you, as a Boston Whaler owner, understand the business.
Well, people have given up on this one. They figure that in a recession, it's not going to work. I don't think that's going to be the case. I think Dave Folks is going to pull it off, and that the stock is a buy at 8 times earnings. But I've got to tell you, I'm going to be really straightforward here. The market doesn't like this stock and doesn't think it'll come back. And I'm trying to disagree with the market because I think it's such a good company. Let's go to Steve in Oregon. Steve.
Booyah, Jim.
Booyah.
What do you think about Regions Bank out of Atlanta, Georgia?
Very smart bank. Very well run. It's funny. You look at First Horizon. Remember, the stock did nothing, and then they got a bid. Regions Finance, this is a terrific company. Believe me, it won't stay independent forever if it stays down at this price. It's just way too good. Let's go to Miles in Florida. Miles.
Good evening, Jim. Thank you for taking my call.
Of course.
My stock for you is AstraZeneca. I've been keeping an eye on it. It's had a good move this past month, but it appears to be gaining some momentum to go higher. So I wanted your opinion on that.
I can't chase it up here. I think it's gotten more expensive versus some other very, very good drug companies. So I'm going to have to say that you should take a pass on that. And that, ladies and gentlemen, the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.